Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove an Audi A6 C7 steering wheel. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the car's battery. This crucial step prevents accidental airbag deployment or electrical shorts during the process. Next, ensure your steering wheel is perfectly centered and locked. Finally, gather your tools, including a T20 Torx bit, a T30 Torx bit, and a plastic trim removal tool to prepare for the next steps. Now let's tackle the airbag module. On the back of the steering wheel, you'll find two small access holes. Using a thin, flathead screwdriver, gently push into these holes to release the spring clips holding the airbag. Once released, carefully pull the airbag module forward. Disconnect the two electrical connectors, usually yellow and black, by pressing their tabs. Set the airbag aside in a safe, face-up position. With the airbag safely removed, you'll see the large central bolt. This typically requires a T55 Torx socket. Before fully removing the bolt, it's a good idea to mark the steering wheel's position on the steering column. This ensures proper alignment when reinstalling. After loosening the bolt, disconnect any other electrical connectors for buttons or paddles. These usually have small tabs that need to be pressed before pulling them apart. Once all connections are free and the central bolt is removed, you can gently pull the steering wheel straight off the steering column. Be careful not to rotate the clock spring, as this can cause issues with future steering wheel functions. If it feels stuck, a slight wiggle might help, but avoid excessive force. Store your steering wheel in a clean, safe place until you're ready for reinstallation. You've successfully removed it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.